Hello, and welcome to Service Manager Plus. We're going to go over how a Service Manager Plus mobile app works. The mobile app is one of the main benefits to this program. I will show you how to leverage this to reduce any revenue leakage and improve the efficiency of technicians that are on the road performing the jobs you've assigned them. The application works on any mobile device, be it an iPhone or an Android phone. I'm using this emulator to show you what it will look like. Since it's a web app that is optimized for mobile devices, there is nothing to download. From your mobile phone, go to servicemanagerplus.com and click on the Sign In button. Or you can also reach this by a link in the email that your technician received. It recognizes that you're on a mobile device and takes you to this mobile app. Once here, you can create a favorite and drop an icon onto your phone, just like I have here. I'm now going to log in with my credentials. After you log in, it brings you to this page. So this is a list of all the work that's been assigned to you. Some of them are for today, some of them are for the future. So if I want to look at the details of the order, I'm going to go to the 17th. Under the first tab, it'll show you the work description. This is what has been assigned to the technician. After they've performed this work, they can go to this bottom bar and type in what they. After they've typed in the work that they did, hit update. This will automatically bring it over to the main application. Under the second tab, there's scheduling. This is their schedule start and finish date. Under this is the actual start and finish date. So it's the 17th, and say they started work an hour earlier than 9 a.m. and they finish an hour earlier also. After this, the technician can approve it, otherwise they can leave it to the approving to the office staff to do. This brings us to the product tab. Here you can add any products that you might have used. Type in the product name in the search bar. So say they used an HVAC. You add this, brings it down here, and then if you click on this edit button, you can edit the price or the quantity. So we'll say that they use 2 of them. Click approve and update. So there it is there. And then under the summary button, it gives you a summary of all that they did, the labor, the time, all the products that they've used. Click here to sign. This is for the customer. They can sign saying that the person was there, did the work at the time that they did it. After this, you click update and this gets sent to the main application. Now, as soon as the technician plugs all of this into the mobile device, the work order is updated and your office staff can submit it to the QuickBooks and create an invoice with it. Let's go back to the application and see what we did. So here's the work order that we did with Daniel Cooper on the 17th. This brings it up. Under the work description, you see what they were assigned, what they did. Under work schedule, you can see the time that they actually started and finished. Under the products tab, you can see what they used, and the total cost is down here at the bottom. Under the image tab, you can see the signature of the customer. And that's it. All the information the technician submitted on the mobile app is automatically transferred to the main application for the administrator to see, or also for the technician to look back on. A couple of other notes here. When a work order was first created or an update was made for the schedule, an automatic email was sent to the service provider indicating that they've been assigned a work order. An hour before the job starts, an email reminder is also sent to the technician. So again, a very simple interface that requires very little training. You can use this video as a training guide for you and the technicians. You've gone paperless, which means that there are less errors and more accuracy. Invoicing is very timely now and there is no revenue leakage. And your technicians are very efficient because they know exactly where they have to be and what they have to do throughout that day. Thanks for watching.